around and tell me, what do you see?
Old brick wall.
An old brick wall.
Mm-hmm.
And as you turn from the brick wall and look elsewhere, what do you see?
Woods.
You're going to be aware of your presence there in the woods or beside the woods. And as you look down at your feet, are you male or female? Okay, so we're going to take your attention now. So there's the brick wall and then there's the woods. What else do you see?
It's a big grassy, flowery field.
So grassy meadow.
Mm-hmm.
What colour are the flowers as you look at them?
Yellow, purple, all colours.
So you're going to take your attention to your body now. You're going to feel your body. If you have one, you're going to be aware. Put your arms out in front of you and look towards your hands and arms. What do you see? You don't have hands or arms? So take your attention to yourself. What would you describe yourself as here?
Can't see myself.
What do you feel yourself to be?
Not sure. It's just not.
So I'm going to put a mirror to the left hand side. You're going to turn around and face the mirror so that you're looking at it. Tell me what you see in the reflection.
I can't see anything.
Do you see the mirror?
I just see the grass. There's nothing there.
Okay, we're going to focus in on a feeling. So as you're here and focused on the grass, how do you feel?
Nervous. It got dark.
It's got dark.
Mm-hmm.
Is it evening time?
I can see two lights, shadows.
So we're going to focus in on those shadows. Are the lights? Where do you want to focus?
It's like I'm in darkness, but there's two people that are bright.
So tell me more about these people that are bright.
Just walking.
They're walking.
Mm-hmm.
So how are they bright? What makes them bright?
Everything around them is dark. It's like they're glowing.
And as you're in the dark, are you outside or inside?
Outside.
Are you still in the same meadow?
No.
Where are you now?
Don't know. It's all dark.
So who do you feel these two people are to you? How do you know them? Are they people or beings?
Being.
Okay. So I want you to focus in on yourself, although it's dark and you can see these beings. Do you have a body?
No.
Are you a being?
No.
So what would you describe yourself as you're looking?
I can't feel it. They're that away now.
And what I'm going to do for a moment is I'm going to shine a light where you are. so that you can know where you are in the darkness. So as I shine that light on you, you're going to know a little bit more about yourself. You're going to see and feel more of who you are. You're going to feel that energy come over you. And I will ask you to feel your way into this. Do you feel male or female?
Male.
And so you're here in this dark space. What age do you feel? Allow the number to appear in your mind.
35. Sure.
You're sitting on a wooden chair.
Mm-hmm.
What else is around you as you sit on the wooden chair?
Fire.
There is a fire.
Mm.
Are you inside your own home?
No.
Where are you?
It's a house, but it's not mine.
What do they call you? What's your name? Allow the sound of your name to be heard.
James.
And what year is it? Allow the year to be clear. Allow the numbers to appear in your mind.
And number 23. It's not a year, it's just a number.
Okay, if I say 4 digits to you, the word, if I say 4 digits, what appears? What year is it for James?
1748.
We're going to take you back to the fire now, where you're sitting there in your wooden chair. Is there anyone else in the room with you? Look around.
You can see the outside of the house.
You can see the outside of a house.
Mm-hmm. The house is away now, I can see the people again.
Say that again.
The house is away, I can see the people.
And are the people inside with you?
Mm-hmm.
So tell me who's there with you. Describe them to me.
They're just glowing. Dark, they're just glowing.
So we're going to focus in, and you're going to know exactly who these beings are. And when I click my fingers, you will know. Who are these beings?
It's not clear.
So we're going to allow now your higher self, or your higher guides to speak through you, allowing that light to come into the top of your crown, of your head and into your mind. That higher knowledge. Who are these two beings? Are they your spirit guides? Are they friends? Who are they to you?
Too far away.
So bring them closer, so you can have a better look, so that you can know who they are. And as you bring them closer, how do you feel when they are near you?
Back is sore.
Your back is sore.
They're going away again.
And you feel, what do you feel now?
It's heavy on my right side. Like somebody's pulling my arm.
Okay. Does it feel positive or negative?
It doesn't feel negative. It doesn't feel positive.
Okay, so we're going to focus in on that side. You said the right arm. And focus in on your body. Allow your mind to travel to that space in your arm where they are pulling. Whereabouts would you describe it on your arm? Near the elbow, the top? Down near your wrist. And as you focus in on this energy, is this energy yours or something else? So, is this energy male or female?
It's female. It's holding on to my arm.
I'm going to focus in there on this female energy. This female energy is going to be shown to you in your mind's eye. You're going to see this female clearly. And if so, we can let this female energy speak. Tell me first, what do you see when you focus on this female energy?
She's got dark hair. She's blue. She's wearing a dress.
She's wearing a dress. What kind of dress is she wearing?
Like an old, flubby sort of. Looks old.
And what does her face, the features on her face look like?
She's got light eyes.
She's got light eyes.
Blue or green. I'm not sure. Blue.
And as you look upon her face, does she look friendly? Sorry?
Yeah.
So we're going to speak to this female now and allow her to speak through you. I'm going to ask this female now, what is your name?
Amy.
And what age are you, Amy? What age are you, Amy? And what happened to you? How did you die?
I'm sick.
What was wrong? What was the cause of your sickness?
Stomach. Getting pain in the stomach.
We're going to remove that pain from the stomach. And I'll out it there. Okay, it's just to lift that pain for a moment. So, and were you 20 years old when you passed?
Yes.
And what year was it that you passed?
I'm sure.
Allow that to become clear.
There's a minute.
And what country did you live in?
America.
So you've travelled quite far to be beside Elise, yes? How did you get here? How did you, or when did you attach to Elise? What age was Elise when you attached to her?
19.
And at what moment did you attach to her?
The first time we did this.
What did you see within Elise that made you attach to her?
She was sad. She was lonely like me.
You've been here quite a while. Why did you not go into the light?
I'm scared.
You were scared? Why were you scared?
I was ready.
You weren't ready?
Mm.
And as you're attached to Elise, and then you're attached to her wrist, are you aware of any problems that you cause Elise through your attachment? Do you cause her any pain or any emotional state?
Anxiety.
You cause her anxiety?
I don't help.
And do you cause her any pain in her body?
Mm.
So I'll ask you, would you like to go home to see some of your spirit family where you can be happy?
Yes.
Wonderful. So I ask the guides, higher guides, now to open the portal of light for Amy. Amy, do you see the light?
I see a lot of light.
You see a lot of light? Okay, so as you go towards that light, what do you feel from that light?
Warmth.
Warmth? Anything else? And as you look towards the light now, is there anyone, look towards it, is there anyone waiting there to help guide you?
My gran.
Your gran. How does it feel to see your gran after all this time?
Happy.
You're happy. So what I want you to do now is just take your energy, the cord that you had attached to Elise, take it away. Take it away from her stomach and her wrist. Take your anxiety, take anything that is there of yours, take it from Elise. So that you can take the whole of you into the light. Elise, as Amy takes her light, what do you see? You see her brightness?
Mm-hmm.
So is she now removing the cord from you? Where do you feel it being removed?
It's not in my stomach anymore.
Is it anywhere else?
She's pulling on that arrow.
Okay, so you're going to allow her to take her light away with her. And tell me when she's done, when she has taken it. Okay. So now, Amy, with all that energy back within yourself, you're going to walk now into the light with your grandmother. And as you walk, are you walking in now? Okay, so we're going to ask the higher guides to close that light behind her and allow her to go to the higher realms. Do you see that light closing now? Wonderful. So we're also with spirit guides here, present with Elise. Ask them to speak through. Elise has been having back pain. Whereabouts exactly do you see energy trapped within Elise? In the back area, whereabouts? Is it the lower back, medium or upper back?
Lower back.
Okay, so as we look into the lower back, going in and looking at that energy, what colour is that energy? It's black. Is that energy Elise's own, or is it something else?
Yes.
I'm going to look into that energy now. And is that energy male or female? I'm going to now give this male time to speak through you so we can find out more about this male. We ask the male now, who are you? What is your name? What is your name? You don't want to speak? Okay, so I want you at least to describe this male to me. What does he look like?
I can't see his face. Dark hair.
What else do you see? I'm going to shine a light now on the face of this male so that you can see the features clearly. Is this male young or old?
Young. Not old, not young.
So middle-aged. I ask this male again if he'd like to speak with me. Yes or no?
No.
Okay, so then I ask the higher guides of Elise to speak through and tell me more about this male. What's his name?
John.
And what age is John?
40.
And how did John pass over? There's a knife. Was he stabbed?
Yes.
Whereabouts in his body was he stabbed?
Above his belly button. Through.
And what year was this that he passed over?
1979.
In which country?
Ireland.
So what happened to John? Who stabbed him? What was
His friend.
his friend? And why did John,
It was his brother.
or his brother, were they fighting?
Yes.
What were they fighting over?
Football.
Was it an accident?
His brother had. There was alcohol involved.
There was alcohol involved,
Yes.
and so his brother drunkenly.
A fight broke out. It got out of hand.
So, what happened next? Did he pass away there or in hospital?
In hospital. It was bleeding inside.
And so, why did John not go into the light?
He's angry.
He's angry and hurt. And what age were you when he attached? What age was Elise when he attached to her?
19. Almost 20.
And whereabouts did he attach? Where was she? Was she outside when he attached to her? Was she in a bar? Whereabouts?
In Glasgow.
Whereabouts in Glasgow was she?
Outside in town.
Daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime.
Was it in a particular, near a bar or
The Savoy.
so outside the Savoy?
Near.
Okay, near the Savoy. And what attracted him to her?
She was drunk.
Mm-hmm.
She was fighting.
She was fighting. In so many ways he matched her energy. So, does John know that he causes her back pain when he's attached to her?
Yes.
He knows this. How does this make him feel?
Doesn't care.
He doesn't care.
He's angry.
So I'll offer John the light to go home, to be free of this anger, to feel better, and to be with family who love him in the spirit realm, so that he's no longer stuck here. Would John like that light to go home?
Pain in my head.
And is this pain, John?
Yes.
I'm going to take that pain away now. And the light of the higher guides come in to take that pain away and take that power away from John now. And so once again, we will offer John the light so that he can heal and be with loved ones and feel love again. And as I offer that light to John, does he wish to take it?
Yes.
He does. Wonderful. Only good can come from this, John. So I ask the higher guides now to open this portal of light to take John home. Does John see the light?
Yes.
So as he turns towards the light, how does he feel?
Relief.
He feels relief. And John, as you look into the light, who's waiting for you there?
My brother.
How do you feel to see your brother again?
Happy.
And how does your brother feel to see you?
Love.
You feel love for each other. So what I ask you to do, John, before you go, is to take your energy out of Elise, to remove it from her back and her head, and anywhere else. Is there anywhere else John's energy is in your body?
No.
Not just, where is it most?
Back.
Okay, so John, can you take that energy back from Elise to make yourself whole?
Yeah.
Wonderful, so allow that to happen now. Elise, what do you feel as he's taking the energy away?
My back lighter. My body feels heavy.
Okay, your back feels lighter. That's wonderful. And the body feeling heavy is normal. So what I will ask the guides now, the higher healing guides of Elise, is to bring the light into both her arm to fill it up completely with healing light, and also the back area and the head. Allowing that healing light to flow down and in through the body. How does that feel now, Elise?
Like something's pinning me down.
Okay, that's absolutely fine. So I'm going to go to that energy now, pinning you down. Look into the colour of that energy. Is it male or female?
It's like a orange, dark orange.
A dark orange. And how does this energy feel to you?
Uncomfortable.
Okay, I'm going to focus in on that dark orange. The pressure will be removed from your chest now.
It's not my chest, it's my arms and my legs.
Okay, that's fine. Is that the healing light?
No.
Okay, so we're going to lift that feeling up. No longer feeling pinned to the bed. The healing guides will come in for a moment just to lift that pressure. Your body's feeling light and at ease, completely relaxed. You can move your hands, that's fine. You're allowing your body to feel light. With this dark orange energy, is it male or female?
Female.
And where, when you focus in on this female energy, does it attach?
Wrist.
Okay, same wrist.
Yes.
So we're going to go into that energy. Is it a healing energy or is it a negative?
Negative.
Okay. So going into this, I'm going to ask, what is the name of this female?
Old name.
An old name?
I don't know how. It's not English.
Okay, so say the closest that you feel that that name sounds like.
It's not coming up in.
It's a different name.
Yeah.
What language do you feel or country do you feel that it comes from?
Russia, Poland, or it's like symbols, it's not a name.
What symbols?
Gold.
So going to focus in there on this energy. What age is this female?
Late 60s.
You allow this female to communicate through. If so, if not, then we can ask the higher guides. Which do you prefer? She doesn't want to talk. So we ask the higher guides of Elise to take any pressure away from her body at this time and allow light, the healing light from God, extra light from Jesus to come in and through, allowing that beautiful golden soft light to come in and just soothe all around the body. So I ask the higher guides about this female in her late 60s. How did she pass?
Suicide.
And what year did she pass?
It was a long time ago. Not telling me.
She's not telling you? Why does she not want to speak? You must have been lonely for some time. Surely it's nice to speak to someone. What year was it that you passed?
I don't know the year.
You don't know the year? It was a very long time ago.
Yes.
Why did you take your own life?
I was lonely.
You were lonely.
My family died. I was the only one.
Your family died and you were the only one?
Yes. It was cold.
You had no friends?
I lived in a cave.
You lived in a cave?
I didn't have friends.
Your family didn't have friends either?
You were the only ones left.
What country were you in?
I'm not sure the country. It was cold.
And was life difficult for you?
A little.
So why didn't you go into the light when you passed?
I wasn't ready to leave.
But you had nothing to stay for. Were you attached to something? When you say you weren't ready, why were you not ready?
I wanted to be happy.
And you felt that by staying behind you could be happy?
My doll wasn't a doll.
Say that again.
It was a doll, but it wasn't a doll.
What was a doll? What's a doll? What do you mean?
And that was the first thing I attached to.
You're attached to a doll?
Yeah.
Who was playing with the doll?
Victoria.
So at some point you attached to Elise.
Yeah.
Okay, what age was she? What age was Elise when you attached?
4.
And where was she when you attached?
She was out playing in the snow.
And what attracted you to Elise?
She fell and hurt herself.
She fell and hurt herself?
Yeah. Down the stairs. She slid.
And by attaching to her, what was your intention?
I wanted a friend.
And what pain or suffering do you cause Elise by being attached to her?
Joint.
Say it again.
Joint.
Joint pain. Where do you notice that you create most pain in her joints?
Her wrists, her knees and her ankles.
How do you feel about this?
Sad.
So I'm going to offer you the light now to go home to be with your family. Would you like that light?
Yes.
So I ask the higher guides to open the portal of light. Do you see that light? Yes? Okay, so as you look towards that bright light, how do you feel?
Nervous.
Why do you feel nervous?
The unknown.
Of the unknown. But it's absolutely beautiful over there, filled with love. Can you feel that love coming from the light?
Feels warm.
Feels warm?
I'm not used to warm.
You're not used to warm? Okay, so if you look closer into the light, you'll be able to see someone you know. Who's waiting for you there in the light?
Father.
And how does it feel to see your father?
Warm.
Okay, so before you go into the light, I ask that you take your energy away from Elise's joints. Remove it all, so that you can take your energy back for yourself and take it into the light. She's gone away. Did she take all of her energy with her? So we close that portal now. I ask the higher guides to scan Elise's body with her. Are there any more entities within Elise's body that need removed? No, there was only 3. So in scanning the body, I would like healing light, if you could put the healing light into her joints, to the places that where the energy needs filled. Allow that light to flow, Elise, into all of your joints. Now allowing, with the help of the higher guides, your entire body to receive that healing light, all the way from your head onto your toes, through your arms, through all of your organs. Your entire body is filled with light. How does your body feel? Light. And I ask the higher guides speak through, and I ask them, is Elise on the right path? In which way is she off her path?
See a desk.
You can see a desk.
Mm-hmm.
And what else do you see? Work. Is this the work that you'll be doing in your future?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of work is that?
Just with a computer.
Is it an office job?
Mm-hmm.
Or is it something else?
It's in an office. No, it's in a room.
Mm-hmm.
From home.
It's from home?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of work is it?
Unclear.
It's unclear. Okay. So is there a soulmate relationship waiting for Elise at any point in the near future? Or a positive relationship?
Positive relationship.
Mm-hmm. When will that relationship arrive into her life?
It's 3 months' time.
3 months. Is it someone she knows?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any guidance you wish to give to Elise going forward to help her stay on the correct path?
Focus more.
Mm-hmm.
Let go.
Let go.
Let go of what's hurting.
Let go of what's hurt you. Anything else?
Please.
Say that again.
Towards Stuart.
Peace.
Holds a lot of grudge.
She holds a lot of grudge,
Yes, towards him.
so let go of the grudges.
Yes. That will make her happier.
That will make her happier.
That's all.
That is all. Thank you. So Elise, now what I want you to do